take two for the Bar Boys movie reviews. Guys and girls, I'm gonna repeat this review once again because I am grammatically error for some things that I have said. You know what? The loopholes that I've noticed for this one are, the first one is, why is it that the actor, when he or she shaved the head of the other co-actor, and then he suggests that instead of being bald, he or she gave the wig for the said actor who got bald. What I'm trying to say is, in just an instant, with the same dress that she wore, he already has the wig. I think it would be better if the wig given to the bald one on the following day, not on that particular day itself. Not unless if the said actor tell the bald one that, wait, I'm gonna go to the house to give you the surprise, I'll just do it quick. It would be applicable and it would be a understandable, and it's a acceptable. So you know what I'm trying to say. And the second one is, because of the continuity, the dress should be changed if they want to give it in an instant the wig to the bald one, the bald actor. And the second one is, what's the second one that I have noticed for the loophole? On the restaurant. The restaurant scene, one of the actor, the waiter told the manager to take a break because he felt to break down because of what happened to him. And the manager agreed and allowed him to take a break in 1 hour, 1 hour instead of 30 minutes. And then after a while, when he called the attention of the waiter, come back to the duty, time to get back. And then there's a surprise for him that his colleagues and his classmates went to the restaurant, dined in, and gave tips to him. It's just some kind of a. I really wonder why is it that there are only two people manning the restaurant, the manager and the said actor, the waiter. How come that the service is really fast? In just 1 hour, they already had their food done eating, and then is it really impossible only the manager could do the task, could do the cooking all alone in just less than an hour? So it's really impossible, I think. And then aside from that, how come that in less than an hour he already called all his classmates, all his colleagues to dine in, just only to support his waiter? So it's really impossible, guys and girls, to make it in 1 hour. So they should next time think about the flow by the sequencing, right? So that's the loophole that I've noticed for this Bar Boys movie. So be careful next time. Direct on you're not on the frame. Next time, if you want, ask me about the sequencing for you not to be what's this? Make a loopholes, okay? So that will be all for now. Bye for now. Bye, Bar Boys.
Sleeping.